Hey, what's up? This is Eazy with Eazy Wraps. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. This is gonna be the first wrap that I've removed since I started wrapping. I'm gonna see how easy it is to take this off. This is Vvivid Wrap right here, Vvivid Matte Smurf Blue. So I'm gonna go ahead and see how it works. But I got the heater going. It's been going for a couple days, so it's like 60-ish degrees or so in here, 60, 70. But I got the heat gun as well to help me out, warm it up if I need to help the removal process. Unfortunately, it's really cold outside right now, so I can't really rely on the sun to remove wraps right now. So I'm going to get me an extension cord real quick, and I'll be right back. All right, and just for right now, I'm going to just remove the blue sections. The carbon fiber I'm going to leave on for right now until I can figure out exactly what I'm going to do. But I'm going to remove this blue on this guy, and then I'm going to replace it with matte black. I just want to get it more, I don't want to get it reinstalled because this was my very first install as well. So I want to get the matte black on there so I can actually show this off and then try to get some business with the wrap whenever it's actually looking really good. There's some imperfections on this whenever I was learning. So first off, I'm going to try to pull it off without any heat. So far with the corner over here, it's coming off pretty decent. Cutting at the edge right there, the body line. There we go, there's some breakage. That's where it's wrapping around and gripping onto the fender a little bit better is where it's coming off. Yeah. That. I knew this may be a process for sure. All right, all done de-wrapping my car. There's some spots like around the handles and whatnot that I'm gonna have to remove to take them off. I kept the carbon fiber on for right now, just in case I don't have enough wrap to rewrap it. But again, the handle here, got around the mirror, I gotta take this mirror off. But basically, everything else is pulled off. It wasn't that bad on removing it, as long as I was applying the heat. With no heat, it would break. So you do have to watch out for that. Obviously, if it's warmer outside, it's a lot better in the sun to remove the wrap. And then also, if you're thinking about wrapping your vehicle, you do want to take note. If your car hasn't been repainted, maybe it was patched, and maybe they put some patch spots on the car for little nicks and whatnot, because whenever I was pulling the wrap off, there's little black specks in the back, and then I would see like a nick here or there. But that was basically it. I didn't have too big of paint issues anywhere. It was pretty straightforward. The paint looks basically what it looked like before, minus some of those little nick marks that are in there. But I'm going to cover that back up with a matte black here, and come back and check out the video with the matte black. I'll have it up hopefully in the next couple weeks. But if you have any questions or concerns, leave it down in the comment section below. Like the video if this helped you out. Other than that, this is Eazy, and I'm out.